Hi, in today's video, I am going to show you how you'd be able to add subtitles to a video in Descript. So let's get started. So basically, you just need to go here into Descript.com, log in into your account, and then create a project or open up a project wherein you'd want to add subtitles. So in my case, it's this one. So from here, what you want to do next is that basically just click here on captions on the right side. And now in here, you'd now be able to see the caption styles or templates in here. You just want to select the style that you'd want. So I just want to go for this classic yellow captions. I'm going to click on that. And now it's now applying the caption. And from here, you should now be able to see that right here. And next is that you would want to go into playing this. Hi, this is my sample background noise removal in Descript. So as you can see, you have now successfully added subtitles as easy as that. So all you have to do is just go here into captions and just choose the style that you'd want. And that's it. Basically, once you play it, it should now be applied right here. Now, there are also option right here like this scene, so you could only apply that or this caption into this scene. So if you'd want something specific, so like in the scene only, but in my case I only have this one right here, so I don't really have pretty much of a choice. But basically what I'm saying in here, if you choose this scene, it will not be applied to the whole video but just a part of it, or just simply that scene. So this is also another option for you to work with if you don't want captions all over your video. So you could just choose the style that you'd want in here. So yeah, this is it for my tutorial on how you'd be able to add subtitles to a video in Descript. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.